Alright, so where are we at?
Turn left onto North Clementine Street.
Oh, there she goes, stepping all over me again. Alright, so always. Gosh,
That's a fucking show.
oh yeah. Me and Siri are having a, oh man, we're right here, like the bar's right there.
Yeah, I feel like that's right.
We're in Oceanside. We just got a room. We're heading to the room. Going to a RAMada Inn. Compliments of Mike and Matt.
We're gonna shit in RAMada's toilet.
Yeah, we are.
We've been waiting on this one.
Oh shit. Costas is on his way. That's a nice field for a high school.
Oh yeah, shit.
He's on the road heading down, coming in from Lancaster. Waiting on Sims to call back, see if he does. Pretty much we got about 45 minutes before we gotta hit up Northern Pine.
Look, there's the RAMada.
Where's the RAMada? Oh, there it is.
The RAMada.
Oh, it looked nicer in the photos.
Fucking shitty photo time.
So the RAMada Inn just tricked us. They just pulled some fake news. The picture.
Yeah, pictures look really good.
This is definitely.
Turn left onto Olive Street, then turn left.
There she goes again. This is definitely the room inspection segment of our video, sponsored by Leatherneck Lifestyle.
Right.
I mean, it's a RAMada. RAMada is a big name, right?
What? So tomorrow you just have those 2 mulch jobs. What's that gonna take you? Yeah. Do you want to do Jim first? His cleanup, my accountant.
My neighbor's an accountant.
I mean, that'll take you. That'll probably take
Huge
you
ass.
an hour or something. Yeah, blow it out. Just
Blow it out
clean
your
it up.
ass.
We're not gonna do
Clean it up, blow it out your ass.
Cleaned up a little bit.
Yeah, you gotta
We're
clean
not
out your
gonna
ass.
trim anything yet.
Trim off the
Unless
little
I think
hedges.
there's like a long one hanging out of that hedge in
Yeah,
front.
sometimes there's a long one hanging out. Long dong.
But we'll come back after the azalea.
Always
bloom
gotta
and
come
take care
back
of
for the second one.
them. So yeah, go ahead and do Jim first.
Yeah,
tomorrow.
do Jim, then do the accountant, then bend them all over and give him the long one.
All right, buddy. Sounds good. You got a plan on it.
Oh yeah, sounds like a real good plan.
I'll catch up with you Monday morning.
I'll just give you 1 key.
2.
Oh, just in case, you never know.
He sells cheap insurance,
Who does?
just in case.
Oh yeah? Here we go. I'm pretty confident. This is RAMada.
I'm much more confident than.
I think it's a RAMada. We couldn't get 420. That's a little bummer. The door's a little weathered.
A little bit. And it
Good.
smells like a swimming pool.
Yeah, that's what the lobby smelled like, a swimming pool.
Let's get this fucking party started, huh?
Yeah.
Got any light in here? You want to peck?
I get first pick again?
Why not, buddy? I have some serious faith in this shit.
Do ya?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll go...
Where's the plug?
There's a plug over here, but is there
This
one?
one's full up.
Okay, so there's a plug over by the wall over there.
And there's one over there.
Yeah, that's too far for me. So I guess it's gotta be this one for me.
Alright, buddy.
Reason I'm always looking for power, it's not for my damn cell phone. I got a CPAP, you know, I do that shit.
Yeah. However it works, buddy. However it works.
However it
Alright,
works.
dude.
Look at what am I looking at?
Motherfucker is clean.
Is it clean?
Dadgum.
Dadgum.
My lord. I'm not even going to take that clean off the edge. I'm just going to leave her hanging like that.
Is that how you do that?
Yeah. Let's
Right.
see what yours looks like, buddy.
Let's see.
I'm pretty faithful in these, too. I wouldn't let yours hang on the floor, though.
Oh, no, don't let it hang. Oh, why? Because you use your blanket, right? Did you even bring your blanket?
I'm fucking right, it did.
How'd you stuff that blanket in there?
What do you mean how to stuff that blanket in there?
What's this?
Oh, right there. Nope. Winter
Oh, I lost. Do you see it on there? Man.
That's just one.
Well, that's just one so far.
I don't even see any stains, dude.
Don't you think they'd use dark sheets?
To cover up the stains.
Yeah. Damn. How did I get so not lucky?
How'd you get so not lucky? Dude, I think you're pretty good to go.
Take your shoe off from that?
Relax.
Here,
Yeah, we only have, we're gonna do a debrief.
A debrief? I was gonna get a little debrief in, yeah. You want to debrief from back there? You can debrief from back there. Oh, nice spot for the Banner. So, room seemed to be in good shape. I had a hair. What are you gonna do?
His wasn't bad though, really.
One hair. Seems a little dated, but yeah, not bad.
We'll live with it.
We've definitely been in worse.
Yeah, yeah.
We give this one a, what do we give this one? What do we rate it stars?
I'll give it 4 out of 5 so far.
4 out of 5?
Yeah. Well, what the fuck's wrong with it?
Alright, I don't want to say like 3.5 just because of the date.
Oh, well, alright.
Alright, so that's it.